Well, today in our magnet fishing adventures, we're in Marion, Maryland. There's a crab pot already somebody pulled up. We're going to hit this little teeny bridge. It's notorious for nice rockfish and perch. Sure. Alright, I'm going to show you my second cast and my first cast first. Hook. How sweet is that? It's only my second hook. And I'm going to show you my second cast. Yeah, that's a real one. Semi-auto, barrel pulled back, cocked. Been in there a long time. That would be my first gun. Obviously, it's not loaded. It's clocked back. So yeah, that's a real one. Mag's gone. How cool? No good for anything. You can't really. There's no fingerprints or nothing coming off that. So how cool? As seen on TV. I'm tickled. I'll go take it home, clean it up. So, man, let's hope we find a whole trove with him. Who thought that was going to happen on the second cast? Quick update. I switched from that spot to this spot. Not very far. More hooks. Pretty much nothing else since the weapon. Warmer than this, and the flies and mosquitoes would smoke you. Couldn't even be out here. But it is nice this time of year. And that's why we're here. Let's see what's next. Wasn't that fun? Alright, I know the wind's puffing on you, but I'm not using my old bike anymore. Things cost me too many video clips. Here's what we've got in this spot. The odd thing right there is that looks like a turkey broadhead. Blade from a turkey broadhead. Can't remember the name of them, but I did use them at one point. Weird. So I'm getting ready. Stop it now. Not really goodies, but you know what I mean. That's something to find. That could be anything inside there. I might take that home and knock that stuff off, see what it is. Clothes in here. Over before we get my own. Stayed out late last night at the campfire, so they will be mumbling. Sorry about that. I'm not hard yet. Nothing this time, I don't think. With the hooks and stuff. Bunch of nope. Not too interested in this stuff at this point. Makes you wonder what was a lot of that. A lot of that was iron. Was flex iron. Where's this? Get in there, like he's going. Oh, look at that. Well, he's going. I gotta must have waited for someone else. And they're both. I don't know. Alright, we're looking at that's something I'm gonna take home and clean up. Bottle caps, we got lug nuts, some hooks, wheel weight, and an old spoon. And that's it. I think we'll find some good stuff seeing they lost all of that junk. Looks like there was an old bridge back there at that little point at one time long ago. I'm going to swash this crab pot to get rid of it. Save the line. And yeah, we're going to get in here. Maybe we'll see some more crabs. Keep you tuned in. Stick around. So you can find some more good stuff. Alright, we're going to check out how we do with this stick. So we've found the gun. It has mag. Right there. Pretty short. Without a doubt. That is it. That gun. So it's been a really cool day. Finding guns is possible. I didn't know. I'd only checked a couple bridges so far with my little teeny magnet. I've ordered a bigger one. Here's the zone. The magazine was found on this side over here. The gun was found on that side over there. How interesting. I'm going to zip you around here so you can see the other little we found. But yeah, there's some techno stuff right there. No idea what that is. That could be more important than the gun. I've severed the rope on the crab pot, so that's going to go home and get junked. I'll throw that in the dumpster Monday morning. I had a crab actually come up and try to get my magnet a while ago. Come clean to the top, chasing it. So there's crabs here. If any local folks want to catch some good crabs, this is a great spot. You're not going to slay them, but you're going to catch some pretty sized crabs. And most of the time you just watch them float right on through here, just like there. All right, we're going to keep on rolling here. I think I've only been to that one spot, so I'm going to move over here to the other side of this crab pot. And we're going to go ahead and plan on switching around and hitting it again. So just hang out. More to come. See? Yeah, how about that?